Today, the confirmation of charges hearing in the Duterte case concluded before Pretrial Chamber 1 of the International Criminal Court. Mr. Duterte is suspected of the crimes against humanity of murder and attempted murder allegedly committed in the Republic of the Philippines between 1st of November 2011 and 16th of March 2019. This week, the ICC judges heard the oral submissions of the prosecutor, the common legal representatives of the victims, and the defense. The hearing took place in the absence of the suspect, following the chamber granting Mr. Duterte's request to waive his right to attend the hearing. The ICC judges will now start their deliberations and will deliver their decision within 60 calendar days after the end of the hearing. The judges may then confirm those charges and commit the suspect to trial before a different chamber, or decline to confirm the charges and stop the proceedings against Mr. Duterte, or adjourn the hearing and request the prosecutor to provide further evidence, to conduct further investigations, or to amend any charge. The defense and the prosecutor cannot directly appeal this decision, but they can request authorization from the pretrial chamber to appeal it. The decision of the ICC judges will be made in writing and will be announced publicly.